Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. Welcome back to our video lecture slide series, and this is video lecture slides week 6. Today particularly we're going to focus on how to actually go about doing your case study reports. And inshallah, at the end of this video lecture slides, and once you have actually submitted your case study reports, all of you should be able to achieve all course learning outcomes for this course, LLS3324 Culture and Development. So let's begin. Basically, ladies and gentlemen, we have four, I would say, categories or four tasks or four main tasks. So first we have to begin data collection. Before that you have to determine the issue. Now you have actually done that because you have already received your questions and you have actually prepared the outline for your case study reports. So basically you have done the first segment or the first major task. Next is actually to begin the data collection. You have to start the data collection process, and then you have to analyze the data, and then you have to write the report. So that's the most difficult part. So let's have a look at when you actually have defined or identified or determined the issue. So basically, once you receive the questions, I'm sure that you remember you started to talk with your friends what to do or who's going to do what. You have actually listed down in terms of the points that you want to cater or the points that you want to search for. So in answering your issue or in solving your issue and in answering your question, your case study question, basically you have done, as I said earlier on, the outline. So that means you have actually identified your question. So that's very important. You have identified your question. You have determined in terms of the points how to solve the issue that you have. So that's very simple, straightforward. You have completed basically this major section or task here. So next we are going to begin with your data collection. So you have identified, you have determined the major points in your outline. So now is the task or the time or the part where you actually look for more information in order to support your points. So basically, let's say your points can only be found through asking people around. So this is where you have to start to talk to people around you. And if you look very carefully here, it says something like choose your case location for study. So basically this one has been done for you, so not to worry about it. However, this part here, you have to go to the library, for example, to search for more information, or you can search online in order to gather more information, or you can talk to people around you, or you can talk to your lecturers about whatever that the points or the issues that you are trying to solve. And the next major task would be the analysis. Now you have done your outline. Now I'm sure you are in the process of gathering or collecting your data, and this is actually the analysis part of it. After you have actually supported your points with all these findings that you have collected, it's time to analyze. So how you actually analyze? You analyze the information. You must look at the information gathered either from the library or from the internet resources, along with the information that you know about the question that you are trying to solve. So basically, this is where you actually answer and then you categorize your information. So you organize your information in such a way that people will be able to understand it when you write the report. And the last major task, as I said, this is the most difficult in terms of trying to actually gather, understand, and then categorize the information that you have gathered. So basically, there are several sections in our case study report. You have the intro, you have the definition of concept, you have the analysis, you have the statistics, you have the suggestions, and then you have the conclusion and of course the references. So basically, writing the report, you can actually divide the task maybe introduction will be completed or will be done by all of you, and then the definition of concept by one friend, and then the analysis by maybe 2 friends, and then the statistics by another 1 friend. So it's up to you how you want to divide the report. But at the end of the day, when you submit the report to me, please make sure that everybody has got the chance to read from the beginning until the end. That's very, very important, because this is your report. The marks or the percentage will be given as 1 to everyone. So make sure that everybody understands. Everybody understands what's written, the arguments, the issues, the solutions, everything. So basically, maybe in week 8, when everybody has completed their part, you start to compile, and then when you compile, then you read from beginning until the end. In terms of consistency, ladies and gentlemen, you have to make sure that if you are writing using Standard British English, the spelling, now everybody must use Standard British English, because we are reading your report as one, not as one section by A, another section by B. No. So everything must come together as one. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, basically that's it for this video lecture slides week 6. It's very straightforward. It is about how to actually write in terms of the major task. You have completed the first major task, determine the issue. Now you are in the process of data collection, and after this you go to analysis of the data, or you analyze the data, and then you have to write the report. With that, as usual, should you have any questions, or if you are not sure of anything, please do not hesitate to ask. You can WhatsApp me personally, you can WhatsApp in our WhatsApp group, or you can email me. With that, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum, and greetings once again to all of you. Have a nice day.